According to Statista, affiliate marketing spending in just the United States alone is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2022. That's more than triple what it was 10 years earlier. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down the 6 highest paying affiliate platforms to use in 2022. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. Lots of bloggers make money from affiliate marketing. Just look at Pat from Smart Passive Income. A report from AWIN shows that 65% of affiliate marketers choose content marketing to generate traffic. With affiliate marketing, content creators can make commission by marketing someone else's product or service. Every time a sale is generated, they get paid out. It's usually a percentage base or even a flat fee based on the lifetime value of the customer that you're driving to those companies, right? In essence, you drive a buyer, you get paid each and every single time. And if you're getting started with affiliate marketing and want to learn about it, I have a video about what is affiliate marketing and how you can leverage it. And you should see a link for it on the screen if you're watching YouTube. So there's a huge opportunity for you to monetize your traffic right now, whether you're generating organic traffic through, let's say, content marketing SEO, or you have tons of followers on social media. But before I give you my list of the highest paying affiliate platforms, I just want you to understand that there are 2 ways for you to get paid as an affiliate. There's a one-time payout. This is when you get paid right after a sale has been made from your affiliate link. Usually, they'll pay you out within 30 to 60 days after that sale. So here's a pro with getting paid out one time. Your payments are usually more than what the cost that the person just did for that transaction. For example, if they just bought something that was $10 a month, you're probably going to get paid out $50 or even $100. Now the con with that model, you won't be able to forecast your revenue as each month the sales you generate can vary, which impacts the predictability on how much you're going to earn every single month. The second type of way to earn affiliate revenue is reoccurring commission. Every time they get paid, you get paid. That's in essence the model with affiliate that's monthly reoccurring. Now it's a percentage of the transaction. So if someone's getting charged $10 a month, you may get paid $3 a month or $5 a month. But if that customer lasts 2-3 years, it can add up to a pretty penny. Now here's a pro with that. Every month you'll generate consistent revenue. And the more you continually promote that product, the more consistent your income will be. If you promote that platform that has low churn rates, high retention, your money will really start adding up over time. Now here's a con. You're going to make a tiny bit of money every single month, and it'll take a really long time to ramp up. And assuming that platform retains their customers really well, you'll do well, but if not, you'll suffer. Now, those are the 2 types of affiliate platforms out there. And now, let's dive into affiliate networks so you can get a chance to pick and choose which platform and program is right for you, because each and every single one of these platforms have different programs. And you can pick and choose which programs and certain types of payments you want to go after, and they're all different. And let's say you have a health site or a casino site or a financial site, it doesn't matter. You literally can pick all different types of platforms, create content, and generate revenue. But the things that you promote need to be relevant to your audience, whether it's nutrition or sports or healthy foods, etc. It doesn't matter. And affiliate programs from an individual company, let's say you want to partner with UberSuggest, my SEO tool, right? I have an SEO tool. You can be affiliate, and you need to subscribe. And then once you're affiliate, you can promote the SaaS-based product, and you can get paid. Now, the big difference with this is when you promote something that's like health or fitness related, most of those things are one time. And then the other stuff like the software, the reoccurring stuff, typically you'll start getting paid out monthly. Now with UberSuggest, I don't really have an affiliate program. I was just more so using that example for you. So now let's dive into the networks. First one I have for you, Share a Sell. Check it out. The next one I have for you, ClickBank. ClickBank is more so well known for selling ebooks, but they're really popular. CJ is another one. Amazon, especially if you want to promote products on Amazon. eBay also has their own partner program. It's called the eBay Partner Network, EPN. And there's also flex offers. Now, here's some of the highest paying affiliate programs that I've seen from companies. Fiverr, Earn up to $150 CPA for every first-time buyer, or up to $1,000 per sale with their $10 CPA / 10% rev share hybrid model. Services prices can go up to $10,000. Bluehost, Payout starting at $65. Hostinger can offer affiliates up to $150 per sale on a tiered pricing structure. Their affiliate partner program offers a base payout of around $60 with the opportunity to make up to $150. Now that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell, and especially when you're looking at 2022, make sure you jump on the bandwagon. If you're already talking or promoting other products, might as well get paid in affiliate format. If you're not, you don't necessarily have to get into affiliate marketing, especially if you already have something that's making you a ton of money like your business or your job. But if you want some extra income and you're already talking about other products or services, join up for their affiliate program. And if they don't have one, go find another amazing product or service that's related and sign up for their affiliate program. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer it. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. If you want help optimizing your affiliate program, check out my ad agency, NP Digital.